So we've been running around, being in traffic, and then we found out both Cafe de Coral and Fairywood, Dai Five Wood, they both don't do Yangzhou炒飯 anymore.
We could hit up one of the lunchbox places, and I thought of looking. It's very local. Actually has been around for more than how old I am.
Thank God, not how old I am. You don't want to know how old I am.
Yeah. So this is one lunchbox places that my friends and I would actually order almost every single day. Whenever we would just gobble our rice as much as possible, and then we would just go play some soccer.
No, actually, that reminds me. My office is in Kowloon Bay, right?
Yeah.
And then we also have these factory canteen places.
Yeah.
That serves up a whole bunch of different dishes at lunch, and then you just pick like三餸一湯, and it's only like $35 or something like that.
Yep.
And then they always have a Yangzhou炒飯, they always have a乾炒牛河, beef fried noodles, all that kind of stuff. All right, let's go try it out, and if we can ever get out of this traffic. My back is starting to hurt. I'm like in starvation mode right now. I'm gonna be having a little bit of aggressive driving here.